I love you too.
Here he is king, but in this chamber he holds no power. Even without a summon, Chief Justice Renato Corona arrives at the Senate with his family in tow. Corona shows up on day one of his impeachment trial, the first for a Philippine Chief Justice. Senate President Juan Ponce Enrile calls the trial to order, stressing that this time there will be no disruptions and delays.
The task at hand is a constitutional mandate and duty which we have no discretion to postpone or evade.
Niel,
Prosecutors
Tupas, Jr.
enter their appearance along with Corona's team of big-name lawyers.
known
But
as
Corona's
safety
top
for
defender,
law
former
requires
Supreme Court Associate Justice Serafin
addition to
Cuevas,
verification,
fires
Your
up on the
Honor,
podium,
the more
arguing for the
important
defense
element
motion
is
for a
the element
preliminary
of
hearing and to dismiss the impeachment complaint.
Our query is, was there any notice sent to the Chief Justice in connection with the filing of this complaint? There is none. Is there any opportunity given to him in order to prove his point in connection with the alleged complaint? There is none also.
The motion
But Cuevas
for
fails to
preliminary
convince the
hearing
Senate
filed
and the trial
by the Chief
proceeds.
Justice Renato C. Corona is denied.
In another victory for the prosecutors,
prosecution,
senators reject the motion of lawyer Ferdinand
with
Perito
regard
to
to his
cite them in
statement.
contempt for disclosing evidence even before the trial started.
And the reason for the denial is the fact that he has no standing in this court.
Both teams
This is
give a
merely
preview
for
of their
purposes of
arguments
delay.
in the opening
Precisely,
statements.
Let me present to you some of the prized pieces of the Corona crown jewels. Spanish Bay, Bonifacio Ridge, acquired October 2005. Purchase price, 9,159,940.
The issue is whether or not the alleged failure to disclose violates the principle of accountability. The pictures of the Bellagio and other properties and the bloated list of titles are therefore irrelevant.
After the double defeat of the defense team, Corona lawyer Judd discloses a possible move of their panel to bring the case to Corona's home court.
The option to go to the Supreme Court is available. Whether or not we will exercise that option is a different matter.
Pag oras na ginawa yan, ay tingin ko isang pamamaraan ng pagtapak sa proseso dito sa ginagalang nating Senado.
On Tuesday, the prosecution plans to present documents and witnesses, but refuses to give details. The day belongs to the prosecution, but the victory may be short-lived. The defense statement that it might bring the case to the Supreme Court may affect the conduct, outcome, and the very existence of this trial.
They aware of the
Ayu
following.
Rappler.
The very